Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, a name that resonates across the globe, transcending the realms of sports, entertainment, and philanthropy. A name synonymous with success. A global icon who has touched the hearts of millions, from the wrestling ring to the silver screen. His presence is undeniable. But his journey is one of grit, determination, and never giving up. It's a story of overcoming obstacles, pushing through pain, and rising above challenges. From humble beginnings to the dazzling lights of Hollywood, The Rock's story is truly inspirational. Born into a family of wrestlers, he faced numerous hardships, including financial struggles and career setbacks. He teaches us valuable lessons about resilience, about hard work. His motivational speeches and charitable endeavors show his commitment to giving back and uplifting others, and about chasing your dreams, no matter the odds. Whether it's breaking box office records or inspiring young athletes, Dwayne Johnson exemplifies what it means to pursue your passions relentlessly. This is the story of how Dwayne Johnson became The Rock. A tale of transformation from a struggling football player to a wrestling superstar and eventually a Hollywood legend, and how he inspires us all to be our best selves. Through his actions and words, he encourages us to dream big, work hard, and never give up, no matter what life throws our way. Life wasn't always a Hollywood movie for Dwayne. He faced hardships early on. His family struggled financially. They moved often. Sometimes they even faced eviction. But young Dwayne had a fighting spirit. He learned the value of hard work. He saw his parents persevere. This instilled in him a drive to succeed. He knew he wanted a better life, and he was determined to create it. Dwayne had a passion for football. From a young age, he was drawn to the sport, finding joy and purpose on the field. His dedication was evident in every practice and game. He excelled in high school. His talent and hard work paid off as he became a standout player, earning the respect of his teammates and coaches. His high school years were filled with memorable victories and personal achievements. He earned a full scholarship to the University of Miami. This was a dream come true, a testament to his skill and determination. At the university, he continued to shine, playing at a higher level and pushing himself to new limits. He dreamed of playing in the NFL. The professional league was the ultimate goal, a place where he could showcase his abilities on the biggest stage. He envisioned a future filled with touchdowns and triumphs, but life had other plans. Despite his best efforts, the path to the NFL was fraught with challenges. He faced unexpected obstacles that tested his resolve and spirit. He faced setbacks and injuries. These physical challenges were tough, but they also took a toll on his mental and emotional well-being. Each injury was a reminder of the fragility of his dreams. He didn't make the NFL. The realization was heartbreaking. Years of hard work and dedication seemed to crumble in an instant. The dream that once seemed so close was now out of reach. This was a crushing blow. The disappointment was immense, and it felt like the end of the road. But in this moment of despair, Dwayne found a new source of strength. But Dwayne didn't let this define him. He dusted himself off. He knew that setbacks were a part of life, and it was how he responded to them that mattered. He returned to the gym, channeling his energy into rebuilding himself. He knew he had the strength to overcome this. With every weight lifted and every drop of sweat, he was forging a new path. His determination was unwavering, and he was ready to face whatever came next. This was just a detour on his path to greatness. Dwayne's journey was far from over. He embraced the challenges, knowing that each one was an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. His story was one of perseverance and the relentless pursuit of greatness. Section 4. Electrifying the WWE, the birth of The Rock. Dwayne turned to his family's legacy professional wrestling. He joined the WWE. Initially, he wasn't well received, but he kept working. He found his voice. He connected with the audience. The Rock was born. He became a global phenomenon. He electrifies the crowd. His charisma was undeniable. He was a natural in the ring. He had found his calling. Section 5. Conquering Hollywood from wrestler to leading man. Dwayne's success in WWE opened doors to Hollywood. He landed his breakout role in The Scorpion King. He captivated audiences with his charm and action hero physique. He wasn't just a wrestler anymore, he was a bona fide movie star. He took on diverse roles, he brought humor to action, he showed his acting range. He became one of the highest paid actors in the world. Section 6. Beyond the screen, giving back and inspiring millions. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is not just a name synonymous with Hollywood blockbusters and electrifying wrestling matches. His influence stretches far beyond the glitz and glamour of the entertainment industry. Dwayne's success goes beyond the screen. He has become a beacon of hope and a source of inspiration for countless individuals around the world. His journey from a struggling athlete to a global superstar is nothing short of remarkable. He's known for his philanthropy, whether it's visiting children's hospitals to bring smiles to young faces or organizing charity events to raise funds for those in need. Dwayne's heart is as big as his biceps. He gives back to the community. His efforts to uplift and support various causes have made a significant impact. From disaster relief to educational programs, Dwayne's commitment to making the world a better place is unwavering. He inspires others through his foundation. The Dwayne Johnson Rock Foundation focuses on empowering and assisting at-risk and terminally ill children. Through this foundation, he has touched countless lives and provided hope where it was needed most. He teaches us to never give up. His motivational speeches resonate with people from all walks of life, encouraging them to push through their struggles and chase their dreams with relentless determination. He shows us that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. His rigorous training routines and dedication to his craft are a testament to his belief in the power of perseverance and hard work. His journey is a testament to the power of perseverance. From overcoming personal and professional obstacles to achieving monumental success, Dwayne's story is a powerful reminder that no dream is too big. He is a role model for millions. His humility, kindness, and relentless drive have earned him the admiration and respect of fans worldwide. He continues to inspire and motivate people to be the best versions of themselves. He is Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, a man of many talents, a heart of gold, and a spirit that never quits. His legacy is not just in the movies he makes or the titles he wins, but in the lives he touches and the hope he spreads. And this is his story, a story of resilience, generosity, and unwavering determination, a story that continues to inspire millions around the globe.